Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam wa alaikum. I am Hakim Ghulam Yasin Arain from Shangraf, Harbil X, Private Limited at Kahror Pakka. Today, I tell you the benefit of salad. Yes, salad benefits. Without wasting time, come to subject. Salad. Eat salad. Stay young and healthy. Salad is made from these fresh vegetables, which are more useful raw than cooked. By eating salad, a person is saved from many diseases. By eating salad, a person stays healthy and fat. Man gets special benefits from the use of salad. The use of salad plays a very important role in protecting a person from many diseases. By regular use of salad, a person is protected from early diseases. The skin of a person is healthy, stomach is correct, and digestion is improved. There is no untimely hunger. You get relief from constipation. By using salad, your eyes stay bright and clean. It can be protected from various eye diseases. Different vegetables and fruits present in the salad contain various vitamins and minerals, due to which the amount of cholesterol in the body remains low and the person is protected from heart diseases. By eating salad with every meal, the body is protected from various types of germs, and the human body remains pure and clean from blood diseases. And such diseases do not appear. If the blood is clean, the face is clean. In the same way, the ulcer is completely eliminated by using salad. Sleep deprivation does not occur in humans at all, according to the research of the medical experts of Shangraf. Herbal Dua X, it is necessary for every person to take it twice a day with food or alone, so that you will be able to save your health as well as your wealth by avoiding many diseases. Different vegetables and fruits used in making salad have different and amazing benefits. Due to them, every person who eats salad is saved from many diseases. So make sure to eat salad, stay healthy and fit. Contact experts at Shangraf Herbal X on social media for any kind of information and advice, or send a message on WhatsApp.